Okay, Chair would like to call the January 4th, 2024 Health Committee meeting to order. We have all members present, so we do have a quorum. Item number 2 is a consent agenda. Do I have a motion? Motion by Johnston, second by Byrne. Any discussion? Hearing none. All in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed? Okay, consent agenda is approved. Do we have any members of the public?
We've had no requests for appearance tonight.
Thank you. Moving on to number 4, departmental matters. First is Jessica McKnight, Health Department Administrator. Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year. So what you have in your packet is an annual summary from 2023. So I'd be happy to answer any questions if you have any about what's in that report.
Quick question.
Questions?
Saw in there that you're implementing a new program. You find the exact wording. Trauma-informed practices. Did I get that right?
Maybe not
There's
a new program
training on it,
necessarily.
yeah,
Yes, yep,
yeah.
doing trainings.
Is that in response to anything, or is that just something like we're keeping up on newest technique? Are you noticing a change in that, or noticing improvements in those outcomes?
Trauma-informed care has been something we've been focused on for at least 4 to 5 years, so since I've been here. And so we do a new orientation with all of our hires and just try to incorporate the principles of TIC in everything we do.
Very cool.
So nothing new necessarily, but just continuing the initiative.
Excellent. All right. Well, I was glad to see that then. Thank you.
Anyone else have any other questions? I'm looking forward to the van.
Yes.
It's exciting.
And hopefully, when the weather is a little bit nicer, we'll have a little tour just for the health committee. I think that would be great to have. So, thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Next up, Tim Wiley, Nursing Home Administrator.
Hello, I don't have any items for action. I have my report that's been submitted to you. Just to highlight a couple things. First of all, we were really pleased with the revenue numbers from our primary payers for the month of November, as they ended up being 32% over a monthly budget. And then expenses, though, likewise were 30% over the monthly budget, but it was also, November was a month when we had health insurance premiums and items like that coming out. You may recall in May we teamed up with a consultant to help us improve our Medicare revenue. And actually for the month of November, the daily reimbursement rate for Medicare was 16% higher than the month of October. I don't know that is sustainable, but at least it was a new high water mark, and we're excited about that. We do have an RFQ going out for engineering related to the capital improvement projects that are on the docket for 2024 and probably into 2025. We're anticipating to have an action item for you for the Health Committee around March. I just wanted to bring that to your attention as well.
Any questions from the committee? I have one on the increase that you're getting from the consultant on the reimbursements. What are they doing that we weren't doing on that?
They are assisting my team in capturing and documenting services that we're providing, acuity levels in some of our Medicare residents that help to improve the Medicare reimbursement.
Thank you. Anyone else? Okay, thank you very much. Next is Jason Tabb, Juvenile Detention Superintendent.
Good afternoon. I do not have any action items, and you have my monthly report. I'd be happy to answer any questions if anybody has any.
Any questions from the committee? No.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next, we have Diane Hughes, Jail Superintendent, but she's not here right now, and Cassie Alexander from Advanced Correctional Healthcare. There is one item for action. 4D1A is request approval of an agreement between the County of McLean and Eric Abreu, dentist, Dr. Abreu. Can I have a motion? Motion by Johnston, second by Hanson. Is there any questions from the committee? Okay, hearing none. All in favor? Any opposed? Okay, and that's approved. And then we have the monthly report. Ms. Alexander.
Yeah, so you have the report in front of you. Do you have any questions?
Questions from the committee? Hearing none, thank you. And next is County Administrator Cassie Taylor.
Thank you, Madam Chairman. I have no items to present to this committee this evening.
Thank you. Number 5 is other business and communication. Our next meeting is February 8th. Is there anybody have any other business or communication for the committee? Hearing none, we are adjourned. Thank you.